even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. Got up this morning, look around and see the sun high. I grab my bag and take my phone. I shut the door and walk into the light. Oh yeah. And suddenly my phone is ringing. I can hear my boss shouting at me. You know what? He wants me to hurry, but I will not control my feet. Oh no. It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. Now that I'm hearing all these wonderful songs in my head, ooh, I'm singing and dancing, I love it. I'm losing my mind. Oh yeah. My phone is ringing again, again and again. My boss is really mad at me. Yeah, yeah. He wants me to hurry, but I cannot control my feet. Oh no. It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work. No, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work.
I love the sun. I love the sun.
It is so sweet under the sun.
Alright.
I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work.
I feel so good around you.
Starry eyes and cellophane, she takes her walk, she makes her plans. A truck bails down the avenue, there's broken glass, a missing pew at church. Maybe I was wrong, maybe time's too strong. Are we falling further? Are the lights that take us home when everyone is gone? Are we breaking tidal to ask the question why? We live and then we die. I think I'm fine. Maybe I'll write you from the other side. He was young when mom got cancer. Here life comes on Dasher Dancer. Raised up his little sister on his own. He brushed her hair and watched her grow. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe time's not that strong. Are we falling further? Are the lights that take us home and everyone is gone? Are we breaking tidal to ask the question why? We live and then we die, I think I'm fine. Maybe I'll write you from the other side. I'm just gonna take it slowly. I'm just gonna live one day at a time. I hope you feel you truly know me. If something comes to take me in the night, are we falling further? Are the lights to take us home when everyone is gone? We break it title to ask the question why. We live and then we die, I think I'm fine. Maybe I'll write you from the other side.
About the summer snow, when it falls on you, your blood runs cold. But don't you sweat your pretty skin, 'cause it melts away for it sinks in. And you dream about this very night, when the moon runs down the summer sky. Could it be the morning of the spring, when the sea runs dry and start to sing? Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live. Ever feel like going back when nothing seemed to be a drag? You ran until your legs gave way, then you cried and got back up again. And it's real to think that I could fly across a broken bridge in the fading light. Never thought ahead of my 2 feet. Never had a care in the world, you see. Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live. From the sky